Hello guys, Luke Hodge here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use Windows Movie Maker. So, like everything I say with these little videos, let's get started. Right then guys, after a swearing because the first time I said this didn't go out this well. Right then, well before you start to use Movie Maker, get your SD card and transfer the files to a hard drive or to your computer's hard drive. And then when you've done that, have the folder that you put them into or where they are stored on one side, and have Movie Maker on the other side. I'll show you why in a moment when we get started. Or right now actually. Now the first thing you want to be doing is the clips that you have that you want to add as this one here. What you need to do is click on that. You can't really see my mouse pointer, but if I zoom in you can sort of pick it up there. Here it is, right here. The camera's sort of picking it up, but there it is. There's a file, and then you want to drag that over here, and then let go. And then I'll make a sound, and then in that little corner right here, the camera doesn't pick it up. It'll show you the time of how long it'll take to do it. Now, if it's long clips, it will take a bit, but this won't that much because it's only a minute clip. And then few seconds ones, you don't even often have to wait. Now, it's just the exact same. One thing I want to say though of a warning. Oh, it zoomed in a little bit further than I wanted it to. This bit over here, the bar, the little line over here, that's where that's got to be at the end. So if I go to the skip bar, the further you want to make sure that's at the end of all the clips, the clip you add on. So now I'm going to add my second clip that's over here. So I just need to add that, hold and drag over, and make sure that line there is at the end of that video clip, and then add that, and then wait until the time at the bottom has finished, as I showed in a moment ago, and then make sure you drag the bar at the end to make sure that black line is at the end, and then add your next clip, and it's the same process as that. So seeing as this is one of my videos I also need to get doing, I'm gonna skip to that until I finished. So hold on a second guys, and I'll tell you that when I've finished, and I'll show you the next step. Right then guys, I just wait for this camera to decide to zoom in. Okay, now we're all good to go. Right, in the corner there where the line goes, over here if you can see my mouse, it's next to the Windows bar, you'll see terms and then how much of clips you put in. When there's no lines and it says it's all done, there's no little clocks in the middles here on the clips, and it just plain with the volume cars, and it's all good to go. So if I quickly zoom into the corner that it'll pop up in, you want to go into File, and now this is where the things where you want to save the video works out. Now you must finish editing this entire video before you save it. So you want to be going to the Save Movie, not Save Project as. You want to go to, or Save Project. You want to go to Save Movie, and you want to choose Zoom, or this one here. If I zoom in, sadly I can't get it to focus though, but it's ZUNE HD for 720p displays. You want to be using that setting if you want to use this video editor for YouTube. Even when there's a one that says it'll work with YouTube, it won't work with YouTube anymore. So you need to use the ZUNE HD for 720p displays, and you'll be able to use this to upload with YouTube then. So then you want to be saving it in that, so click on that, and then click on the place where you want to save it. I'm saving it to my separate hard drive. Is a Western Digital hard drive, and I need to save that, so I'm going to give that a name. So I'll be back in a sec, because for my viewers this is an upcoming video, so I don't want to name it, and I don't want to name it because most of my videos are named specially after each one, and I don't say what the next one is. So I'm going to stop here. Seems this is for my channel, so I'm going to give the name surprise even when it's not below it. I'm going to have to type it in, and I'm not good with my keyboard, so I'm going to stop it here. So I'll be back in a moment after I've typed it in, and then I'll show you what you do next. Right, I finished typing that in, and then all you need to do is press save of where is close to here of where you typed it in. So press save, and then you'll have this little message in the middle of your screen saying, hold on a sec, if it'll focus in for me, it'll say Movie Maker saving movie step 1, and then when it gets right to the end over here, it'll make a ring or a sound or something, or if it doesn't, the next time you look at your computer when it's got to the end, it'll say movie has been saved, and then play it to make sure it's worked. You don't have to watch it all, just make sure you've done it, and then close it all, and then I'll show you then and then that's pretty much it. So I'll show you all of that, so I'll see you in the moment. Seems this will probably take a little bit to get to the end, so I'll see you in the moment. Right then, we're now, come on, zoom back in camera. Okay, I completely watched my tablet and heard it, and then I said I'll go to it a little bit later, and then I completely forgot about it. So it's probably about 20 minutes later, but here's the message. It's exactly the same. Let's play to make sure it worked.
Hello guys, Coach here.
And then when you've checked, basically, if I zoom just back out, because for some reason it went a little bit more than I expected it to. Basically, when you finish, you say you don't want to save anymore because you've already saved the main video part. And then go into the place you saved it, and there it is, The Day Out in New Brighton, as I called it. I've just gave the name away, so it'll be there. And there it is. So yeah, guys, that was basically it of how to use Movie Maker. So yeah, as always, please comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.